Hi, and welcome to the first in a series of instructional videos of Affordable Jewelry Making Made Easy by Ellen, that's me, at Oldsmar Beads. Today we'll be making simple angel earrings and a simple zipper pull. All projects are available in kits in my Etsy shop at www.etsy.com/shop/Oldsmar Beads. And they come in various colors. We have a pink, can't really see the color too well on that mat. It's kind of a pinky color. Cobalt blue, emerald green, red, olive green, and aqua blue. And also teal. Today we'll be using the teal for the earrings. Okay, the supplies are 3-inch head pins, 16mm teardrops, 2 angel wing beads, 2 8mm check beads, and 2 silver daisy spacers, and 2 ear wires. The tools are a round nose plier and a cutter for the earrings, and then we'll be using 2 flat nose pliers to make the zipper pull. Okay, we'll start with our 3-inch head pin. If those that don't know what a head pin are, they're flat on the bottom. I don't know if you could see that, the flat head, and then pointy on the top. We'll start with picking up our head pin, threading on our teardrop, adding an angel wing, the 8mm round check glass bead, and the silver daisy spacer for the halo. Cute as pie. We'll do that with the other one. 3-inch head pin, our 16mm teardrop bead, our angel wing, our 8mm round crystal bead, and our daisy spacer. Our 2 little angels. They're so cute. Now, holding your head pin straight up and supporting it from the bottom so you don't wind up with excess head pin hanging out the bottom, I kind of rest it on my finger, get a grip on it, grab my round nose plier, hold it just slightly above that daisy. You need a little bit of space in between, because if you bend the wire and it's too tight, it could crack the beads. Bend it at a 90-degree angle, using my fingers to support it and my finger as a gauge as to where I'm going to cut it. That's probably about 1/4 of an inch. Right on the other side of my finger, I just snip off the excess. Grab my round nose plier again. I like holding my round nose plier in my hand with my palm up and kind of bent over to the right or the left, whichever, whether you're right or left-handed. Grab hold of the end of that excess and just turn my hand around in a circular motion and make a loop. I don't close the loop all the way. I leave it open slightly. I don't know whether you could see that or not, but it is open. Then grab the ear wire, which also has a loop on it. Slide that loop over my half loop and grab that loop again, the head pin loop, and close it up. So now you have a closed loop holding the earring securely in place. And do the same with the other one. Making sure that I have no excess hanging out of the bottom. Pull it up tight, rest it on my finger, holding it straight up with my round nose plier. Grab the excess wire, bend it at a 90-degree angle, and I support it. You always have to be careful when you're cutting wire because they tend to pop. It could pop right up and hit you in the eye. So that's why I support it with this finger. Then using my finger that it's resting on as a gauge to cut it, it's approximately, I don't know, somewhere between 1/4 and 1/2 inch, probably 1/4 inch. Grab my round nose plier again, holding my palm straight up and bent over to the right. Grab hold of that excess and just curve it around without closing the loop all the way. And grab my ear wire with a closed loop on it. Slide that on my half open loop. Grab my round nose again and close my loop. Simple, adorable pair of earrings. Now this can be made also into a zipper pull by doing the same thing. We'll use the red. Valentine's Day is coming. Cute little Valentine's gifts. 3-inch head pin, my 16mm teardrop, we're missing an angel wing. Give me 1 second. Put on my angel wing, my 8mm round, and my daisy spacer. Now this time, of course, resting it on my finger so there's no excess hanging out the bottom. Grabbing my excess head pin, bending it at a 90-degree angle, supporting it with my finger, which you don't have to, but you better be careful because the wire will pop up at you. Make my cut, grab my round nose, make my loop, only this time I'll close the loop all the way. So now I have a little charm, an angel charm, that we're going to turn into a zipper pull by putting on a jump ring and a lobster claw. You can also hang it on a neck cord, make a cute little necklace. Okay, here's my jump ring. It's a round silver plated ring with a split in the middle. You grab that, these are flat nose pliers. Any flat nose will do. It's not round like the other one. You grab the jump ring with the flat nose, one on each side, and then you pull one side towards you, one side away from you. This way you're opening, of course I'm going to mess it up now, opening your jump ring. So now you have an open jump ring. You just take your little charm that you made, slip it on there, then you take your lobster claw and slip that right on there. And to close up the jump ring, you grab again both sides of the jump ring one towards you and one away from you in the opposite direction to close it. And now you have a cute little zipper pull. Just attach that lobster claw to the zipper on your jacket or your sweater or your sweatshirt, and something to grab to open and close your zipper. I've even put them on my purse. They look cute hanging off the side of the purse. They come in all these colors, and the kit for the earrings is only $3.99, and the kit for the zipper pull is $2.75. And you can find them on my shop, Old Smart Beads. It's www.etsy.com/oldsmartbeads. I'm sorry, www.etsy.com/shop/oldsmartbeads. Like I said, this is the first of a series of videos. We'll be making quite a few very, very easy to make kits, and they'll be very affordable. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed.